trust you found the nest, at least.
Not even close.
Ah, excellent.
I hope you had a little more success than me.
Well, if by success you mean that your parenting troubles are over with, then yes.
Congratulations, Stoic! Everyone is so relieved.
Out with the old and in with the new, right?
No one will miss that old nuisance.
The village is throwing a party to celebrate. Come over here.
He's gone?
Yeah. Most afternoons, but who can blame him? I mean, the life of a celebrity is very rough. He can barely walk through the village without being swarmed by his new fans.
Hiccup?
Who would have thought it, eh? He has this way with the beasts.
Okay there, bud. We're gonna take this nice and slow. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Position 3, no, 4. All right, it's go time. It's go time. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yes, it worked. Sorry. That's my fault. Yeah, I'm on it. Position 4. 3. Yeah! Go, baby! Oh, this is amazing! The wind in my cheat sheet! Stop! Ah! Oh, gosh! Oh, God! Oh, no! All right, okay, you gotta angle yourself. Okay, no. Come back down towards me. Come back down. Now! Come on. No thanks. I'm good. Not so fireproof on the inside, are you? There you go. Everything we know about you guys is wrong. Gotta block him out, Toothless. Do you trust me, bud? We can do this. You and me. As one. That's it. Now let's try this one more time.
Take him down, babe!
Go get him. Take control of it!
Shut it out, Toothless.
Stop them!
Now! Not again. Toothless! It's now or never! Come on, bud! Hold on! Yeah! We did it! Hold him there, Toothless. It's all over now.
Or is it?
No! No!
He's challenging the Alpha to protect you!
No, 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 no! No! Fight back! Fight! Fight! What's the matter with you?
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Let this end now.
Never! Come on!
The Alpha protects them all.
You never cease to amaze me, bud. Thank you. Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out!
I knew you'd come back!
Oh, give me a cuddle, Grumpy! Who's my little princess? Don't you ever leave again. No, you are. Yes, you are. I missed it.
Oh, Barf, not you.
That was some pretty fine dragon wrangling back there. You'd make a good trapper.
You know, Skullcrusher's gonna need somebody to look after him now.
Me? I'd be honored.
Your father, he'd be every bit as proud as I am.
Thank you. I'm really glad you're here, Mom.
And here I'll stay.
See? I told you it was in here.
You're still doing that one. That's hilarious. Come here, you. Ooh.
The chief has come home!
This is Berk. A bit trampled and busted and covered in ice, but it's home. It's our home. Those who attacked us are relentless and crazy. But those who stopped them? Oh, even more so. We may be small in numbers, but we stand for something bigger than anything the world can pit against us. We are the voice of peace. And bit by bit, we will change this world. You see, we have something they don't. Oh, sure, they have armies, and they have armadas, but we have our dragons!
Hiccup! Hiccup! Son! Hiccup. I did this. I'm so sorry. Hiccup! He's alive. You brought him back alive. Thank you for saving my son.
Well, you know, most of them.
Hey, Toothless. Yeah, happy to see you too, bud. Oh, what? I'm in my house. You're in my house. My dad know you're here? What? Oh, okay. Okay. Toothless. No, Toothless. Toothless. Oh, come on. Okay. Thanks, bud. Toothless, stay here. Come on, guys, get ready. Hold on tight, here we go. I knew it. I'm dead.
No, but you gave it your best shot. So, what do you think?
Hey, look! It's Hiccup!
Turns out all we needed was a little more of this.
You just gestured to all of me.
Well, most of you. That bit's my handiwork. With a little hiccup flair thrown in. You think it'll do?
I might make a few tweaks.
That's for scaring me.
What is it always gonna be this way? Because I could get used to it.
Welcome home.
Hey, Beauty! Oh, get down!
You ready? This is Berk. It snows 9 months of the year and hails the other 3. Any food that grows here is tough and tasteless. The people that grow here are even more so. The only upsides are the pets. While other places have ponies or parrots, we have dragons.
Chief and Chief Dash!
Come,
crying to my full, thick beard.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Gross. Okay, you win. I like sensitive guys.
There were dragons when I was a boy. Oh, there were great, grim sky dragons that nested on the cliff tops like gigantic, scary birds. Little brown scuttly dragons that hunted down the mice and rats in well-organized packs. Preposterously huge sea dragons that were 20 times as big as the big blue whale. Some say they crawled back into the sea, leaving not a bone nor a fang for men to remember them by. Others say they were nothing but folktales to begin with. I'm okay with that. Hey there, bud. Remember me?
It's okay.
Hey, I am glad to see you too, bud.
He's not gonna eat your father.
How's the tail holding up? Probably could use some oil and a little fine tuning.
Look, it's okay. They're friends.
Ah, gosh. Here,
Go on. It's all right.
come. He won't hurt you. Hold your hands out. Like this. That's it. Let him come to you. Legend says that when the ground quakes or lava spews from the earth, it's the dragons, letting us know they're still here, waiting for us to figure out how to get along. Yes, the world believes the dragons are gone, if they ever existed at all. But we Berkians, we know otherwise. And we'll guard the secret until the time comes when dragons can return in peace.